Well, I thought it'd be fun to share a little bit about my 1919 Robbins and Myers fan, uh, serial number 3600. As you can see, I decided to restore it not to factory original, but actually do something a little different and take it down to bare metal and do some red paint to kind of make it pop. So I'll start by showing you some things that are unique to technology from 1919 and kind of move on to the actual fan running. This is interesting. The fan doesn't have bearings, rather it has what are called oilers. There's a smooth brass casing that the shaft goes into, and the oiler is a wick that sticks up into that casing and oils the shaft. This is another view of the oiler. I'm trying to do this one-handed, but I'm pulling out the shaft, and you got to see the shaft there. You see a little bit of wear on it. And then when I pull off the casing, you'll see that there is a hole that runs from the casing. As soon as I flip it around into the shaft. Pretty cool. Another uniquely turn of the century innovation was the way they would prevent the fans or candlestick phones or whatever from scratching the furniture. They would take felt, wrap it around, use a ring to cinch it in place, remove the extra fabric, and you would have this nice tight base that would prevent scratching. And here's a little picture of the label, Robbins and Myers Fan, um, serial number 3600. That dates this to around 1919. Pretty cool. Okay, maiden voyage. I've got the oscillation set really low, so it does a very small oscillation. Okay, side oscillation view.